How to fix the issue of Discord application not opening on your mobile phone. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of Discord application not running on your device. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, firstly go to the settings of your Discord application. After that, here you need to check the cache data of the application. So go to storage and click on clear data. Click on clear cache. Now your cache has been cleared for Discord application. After that, go to Google Play Store and search for Discord. If there is any update, do update the application, or you can even uninstall it if your problem is not fixed. And that's all. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Discord application not opening on your mobile phone. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.